Brown, black, yellow, gold. Brown represents digit 1. Black is 0. Yellow at the third position is telling me that I'm going to have 4 zeros. Because yellow represents digit 4, but at the third position, this is not the digit, this is the number of zeros. Gold represents the tolerance plus minus 5%. Copy this down, and I'm going to have 100,000 ohms plus minus 5%. If you are going to move the decimal point 3 times to the left side, I'm going to end up with 100 kilo ohms with the tolerance plus minus 5%. This is the resistance of this resistor. Blue, gray, yellow, silver. Blue represents digits 6. Gray, 8. Yellow at the third position is telling me that I'm going to have 4 zeros. Silver, my tolerance plus minus 10%. I have 68 and I have 4 zeros, which is 680,000 ohms plus minus 10%. Convert this to engineering notation, move the decimal point 3 times to the left, and we will have 680 kilo ohms and the tolerance plus minus 10%. This is the resistance of this resistor.